was talking with a young guy who lives near me, Jasper, and we were talking about going for a ride. He's a fairly new rider, and so I said, sure, I could probably take you on a ride that I'm familiar with. And so we made a plan, and off we went. We met at Tim Hortons.
So, there we go. All right, start that bad boy up.
It's very quiet.
Oh, listen to that thing roar.
So after going over the hand signals that we'd be using on the ride, and we got all organized, I got my bike started, and we headed off on our way. I wanted to take Jasper up to the lake, up to Kincardine, because he had mentioned that he'd never rode his bike up that way. So I thought, hey, no time like the present, and off we went. It was a really good night for a ride. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. It was actually really nice. There's a couple of really cool curves right by my house, and I really like taking that part, so I made sure that we took that. Him being on somewhat of a little sport bike, he really enjoyed the curves. The one thing I've really noticed, especially in my area, is the OPP are really enforcing the speed limits around on these country highways down around me. And it seems like every time we go out, they've got somebody pulled over.
So what do we got going on here, Jasper? Cool. So, what did you think of your trip up to Kincardine, Jasper?
Nice.
It was nice.
Those curves were fun.
Yeah, yeah.
So after a short stop, we decided that we were going to head up the highway just a little bit and go up to Point Clark and go check out the lighthouse and the beach up at Point Clark, and then do a loop right back home again, and that would be a really nice ride.
Point Clark. And we're at the lighthouse.
The best part about heading home right when we did is that the sun is at your back, and it makes it a lot easier to see where you're going on the way home. So having had a really successful ride, on our way back home, we had the sun at our backs and the shadows stretching down the highway. It was like the perfect end to a great trip. I hope you guys have all really enjoyed this video, and if you have, slam that like button, and if you would, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch all of you on the next one. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you on the next one.